He panicked and ran down the hallway whilst shitting himself,
Oh, no.
stepping into the shit and
Oh,
dragging
man.
it through the floors.
Yeah.
Night audit, not in the hotel business anymore. I think that's quite probably important.
Okay, that could be
because
important.
it might be the story giving there. I think the list is long, but my most disgusting story is how a guest came back to the hotel at a night after a trade show. He is completely drunk. I was on night duty, and while looking through the cameras, I thought, what is he doing? Locked out of the room, half naked, only in boxers. It's the story of the bio boxer short were already hanging strangely. Wow, that's a very good camera. Then he positions himself in the emergency exit to piss. This, of course, led to the fire alarm going off.
Oh, no.
Whereupon he panicked and ran down the hallway whilst shitting himself,
Oh, no.
stepping into the shit and
Oh,
dragging
man.
it through the floors. We finally
I
found
deeply
him on the
apologize.
4th floor, crawled together in a corner, crying with poop on his food.
Oh, man.
We were the ones to clean it all up. I have to be very honest. Honestly, this story sounds like you.
Like me?
Yeah,
okay.
I think could have been you because you're not a good drinker.
That's
you
true.
came up early. It
That's
was
true.
a night thing, and then you were very shy because this
yeah.
happened to you. It
Yeah,
sounds like you.
It does sound like me. It does
Can